Hi, Kurt from Genesis Rescue Systems. Today we're going to take a look at the lineup of high-pressure power units available from Genesis. Why is the power unit so important? The power unit is what's going to be the center of your entire rescue tool system. Let's talk about NFPA 1936. All of the Genesis power units are NFPA 1936 compliant. Most of our power units are available with either gasoline engines or electric motors. You also have the choice of 3 different types of couplers, whether it be flat face, standard, or our one-step coaxial coupling system. You can also choose between single tool operation or multiple tool operation. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the individual power units and what types of advantages they're going to offer you. Okay, let's talk about power units a little bit, specifically Simo pumps. A Simo pump will operate 2 tools simultaneously. The Genesis power units have a patented feature that we refer to as overdrive. Let's say I've got a spreader here and a cutter here, both operating at the same time. I'm done with the spreader, but I've got to take the roof off of this car. Well, we may want to kind of step that speed up a little bit. So what I can do is I can put the cutter in overdrive. What overdrive does for you is it directs the flow of both pumps in this power unit to one side of the power unit. That translates over into more momentum on the cutter. Momentum is very, very important today, especially when you're trying to cut or shatter ultra high strength steels. Remember, when we're back at the rescue tool, you still have the ability to control that power, speed, and momentum through the variable speed control valve. The overdrive feature can be used on either side. Now let's take a look at overdrive in action on a couple of rescue tools. Okay, let's talk about power units, hydraulic fluid, and heat buildup. What does hydraulic fluid do as it cycles through these power units, especially under high flow rates? Exactly, it heats up. Hot hydraulic fluid will not operate your rescue tools near as efficiently as it would in normal temperature ranges. Genesis has taken a couple of steps to help not eliminate but reduce this heat buildup through the rescue tool system. Number 1, aluminum reservoirs. Dissipates heat better. Heat dissipating fins around the outside surface of the reservoir. Large capacity fluid reservoirs. This is 1.5 gallons. And finally, a spacer between the manifold block and your highest heat source, the engine. So what we're trying to do is keep your rescue tools operating more efficiently by reducing the amount of heat buildup through your rescue tool system. Okay, let's recap what we talked about in regards to power units today. Whether it be lightweight portability in the form of the M1X power unit, reduced scene noise for the Echo Silent power unit, simultaneous as well as overdrive operation on the M3 Outlaw. We've talked about NFPA 1936 compliance and what that does for your safety as a rescuer. We've also talked about decreased heat transfer in all of our power units. I do appreciate your time in watching our video today. If you'd like some more information, feel free to call your local Genesis distributor or visit our website. I'm Kurt with Genesis Rescue Systems. Thanks for watching and be careful out there.